Every element on screen contributes to the user understanding of the function. However, from the aspect of the visibility, I am not so satisfied with the button of the website of Boss Laju, because when we move our mouse to here, we just realize that there will be more functions such as mail, Boss Laju, send parcel, outlet, and also business inside the send button. If we compare to the website of the J&T Express and also the GDEX Express, we will directly see an arrow here, so we know that there will be more function inside the button of the website. For the aspect of the organization, the website that I like the most is the website of the J&T Express, because we can see the 5 main functions such as the shipping rate, tracks and track, delivery time, file or location, and also the prohibited in the website. Most of the user use the website to look at the most of the user will not look at the website. Most of the user will not look at the functions such as the company profile, because we usually use the tracking website to track the goods. So I prefer the website that will help us to save more time. If compared to the website of the Boss Laju, I think that the function of Boss Laju here, the postage calculator, is not so helpful to the user, because we usually know that the delivery fee is 8 ringgit per kg now in the West Malaysia and 30 to 40 ringgit to the East Malaysia. The GDEX Express is also good since the e-tracking is also at the front page of the website, that help us to save the time if we want to track the parcel. With only for the aspect of the consistency, we can see that all the elements in the website are uniform with the font size and also the font style, and all the elements are arranged in a uniform way that allow the user to easily choose the function that they would like to select.